This is Jane. Jane starts her morning with her orders automatically handled, all insights visible in one place, and confident that her customers are satisfied. But this is not her reality. Jane starts her week with a lot of work. She has no information at hand to support customers, and her time is lost manually keying orders while struggling to get them dispatched on time. We know you feel like Jane. You're tired, exhausted, and annoyed. So, we have a solution for you. Say hello to Order Management by Alsop. Powered by artificial intelligence, our solution automatically processes your orders, validating them based on customer needs. We help you to provide an excellent customer service level, fulfill orders correctly, and deliver them on time. Best part, we provide other insights with all your data at a glance, so you have up-to-date information without IT support. Now, with extra time in the day, you can call customers who haven't yet ordered, or reach out to those who you haven't heard from in a while. They say you can't have it all, but with Alsop, you really can. So, what are you waiting for? Get in touch with our friendly team at alsop.software or call 028 9018 3250 to hear how we help companies and people just like you.